everyone, welcome to another Review Room tutorial. Today we're going to be continuing our discussion on ranking. So last time we showed you how to see the rankings and how to make use of it. One of the things that I want to point your attention to is sometimes you're going to have a lot of groups. And when you have a lot of groups, it may be useful to use these menus up top. For example, if you want to see for global judges how they rank the applicants and what type of applicants are ranked, like let's say local applicants, how they rank the local applicants, you're going to see that information and you're going to see that there's no rankings available. But if I switch this to the global applicants and let's see how the global applicants were ranked, well, here are the global applicants and they do have ranking information. So the idea is, try and choose a group that's relevant to you, and based on that, you're going to see relevant information in this interface. So this drop-down menu, particularly on the right-hand side, is going to be useful to you for that purpose. Now let's show you one more thing. So you might ask, well, how am I going to decide who are my top candidates and who I'm going to take to the next level or move to the next round? And the way that you do that is, well, obviously whenever you're managing applicants, you're going to go to the Manage Applicants interface. On the left, Manage Global Applicants. It's going to take us to that interface, and let's see what we're going to see here. So what I'm going to do is, well, first this page is going to list all of the applications that are located here. And then basically what I'm going to do is use the column section, which is here. I'm going to scroll down and find the cumulative rank, and I'm going to add that in, and that's going to show up. But let me remove some other columns so that it'll be easier for us to see that information. So give us your contact information. Let me remove that one as well, which would be this one. Okay, so now there's less columns, it's less cluttered. But you're going to see the cumulative rank for this person's 59 and the cumulative rank for this person's 36. So what you can do at this point is say, well, this person, I'm going to move them to the finalist round, and this other person that's currently in pending review, I'm going to move them to NA, not accepted, not applicable, whatever you'd like to call it. So your typical workflow could be, as soon as someone ends up in pending review, your eventual goal is to make sure that there's no one in pending review. And then if you want to see things in that format, just go to your dashboard and you'll see how many applicants there are in each particular category. So here you're going to see in your dashboard, all right, well, there's no one in pending review. You can think of pending review as your inbox, and the goal is to get rid of them and move some here and move some there. And it really depends on the workflow of your competition, but this kind of workflow we see often. There's one more thing I want to talk to you about, which is what kind of information can reviewers see? So by default, reviewers are going to be able to see all the information that an applicant has uploaded. And of course, only for applicants that they've been assigned to. You don't want them to see information for random applicants. Now, sometimes you might have a group, let's say financial reviewers. And financial reviewers should only see information for only the financial information. And regular reviewers should only see information that pertains to them. Well, how do you set up something like that? The answer is that it's actually quite simple. So again, we're making a change. So head back on over to the Design tab. In the Design tab, click on Design Competition. Design Competition is going to allow you to make modifications to how the review room is structured, who can see what, who needs to do what, that sort of thing. So all the information from the applicants, that type of information is always uploaded in the application round. So if I click on the application round, you're going to see all these tasks. So if I take a look at a particular one, like let's say upload your resume, then I'm going to be able to set specific permissions on this upload your resume task. So when I click on it, and then if I go to the visibility section, right now no visibility options are selected, but what I could do is, for example, hide this from local judges, right? So if I wanted to hide it from a particular group, I can do that. All I have to do is set visibility options, come here, choose which group should not see it. So by default, it's visible to anyone who all the materials are visible to all the judges that the application was assigned to. But if you want to hide it from a certain group of judges, a particular task, you can do that. And if you want to select more than one judge group that this particular task should be hidden from, just hold your control key and select the other one. So this is a multi-select, and the instructions are here as well. And of course, make sure to save once you do that. And again, if you have any questions, email us, support@myreviewroom.com. We'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Thanks again for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one.